What's up guys, Ackeem here. Now in this video I'm going to do the unboxing and review of this intelligent light. As you can see right here, basically come in this package, and this is 30 centimeters long, as you can see right here. So we have different light mode, as you can see on the package. So I'm just gonna unbox it, let you guys see what's inside. So as you guys can see, these are two packages that come inside. So we have a two USB type C cable that we can use to charge this device right here. Also we got a user manual which comes inside. Now, this is the light panel right here. Behind the back you can see we have some sticky mount, so we can stick this under a cupboard, probably in our closet and those places that we need to light. Also, and right here you can see we have the on and off switch. Also we have the brightness level, we have the USB right here, we can charge it. So as you can see right now guys, it's on right there, so we can change it to different mode. So right there we have the different temperature color, change it to a more warmer color, also to a brighter color. As you can see right there, we have three different mode: cool, warm, normal color right there. And that's how it basically look guys. So you can put this, mount this especially in your closet, under your cupboard and those places, and just anywhere you find a dark spot, and this will auto detect if you're walking by. As you can see, there's a sensor right here, so if you leave it on, it will automatically turns off when you leave out the area, and whenever you come out the area, it will automatically turns on. And this is how it basically works. This is guys, so you have all different temperature right there. This is how it basically looks. So hope you guys find this video very helpful. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in my next video. Peace out.